Good afternoon. It is March 19th, 2016. This is Andrew Smart at Red Rock Real Estate giving you my breakdown of the St. George real estate market. Going to give you my report here through my website, stghousesforsale.com. So here we are at stghousesforsale.com. Pull it up here. It's going to give you on the first page just the more popular listings. They're popular because they just changed their price lower. Trying to get those things moved. Anyway, scroll through those down to the bottom. Past a little ugly picture of me there. You'll see the cities right here, areas we cover. Apple Valley all through Washington. We're going to click on St. George. Bring up the market report here for St. George, Utah. You'll see we've got 1,152 total listings. Just recently we had 36 of those recently added, 62 reduced in price, 10 foreclosures, 3 short sales. Should give you a pretty good idea of the size of our market right now as far as the total number of listings. It also breaks it down, gives you some fancy numbers here of the averages of those listings. Average days on market, 94 days in St. George, so we're just over that 3-month mark. Average year built, 2002. Average taxes, 2,100. Average price of those listings, 444,000. And then you can scroll down here further. For those that don't like numbers, we've got fancy pictures. You can see the graph here of the month-by-month inventory. Since October, you see we had a nice spike there in January for our listings. Those have come down. So right now it's a good opportunity. Get your house on the market. The inventory is down. There's a lot of buyers out there with limited options looking to purchase. It could be your house if you want to get it on the market. Anyways, apart from breaking it down by city, here in St. George, you have the ability to, on stghousesforsale.com, you can break it down in your neighborhood, see what's going on in your subdivision. What are your neighbors selling their houses for? How long is it taking for them to move? We won't click through those right now. I want to move on to our next town. Go out to, let's do, say, Ivins. Where are you? Ivins, Utah. We've got 161 listings. 9 recently added, 10 reduced in price, no short sales, no foreclosures. Average day on market, 104. We've got average listing price of $595. Again, your fancy pictures here. Month by month, we had a nice spike in inventory in January. Again, we're seeing that drop there through March in our inventory. Ability to click through your neighborhoods, see what's going on there with your neighbors and their listings. Let's go out to Santa Clara. Santa Clara, we've got 100 listings there, 3 new, 3 reduced in price, no foreclosures, no short sales. 524 listing price average with the days on market average of just over 3 months at 103 days. Again, common theme here, we're seeing our drop in inventory since January. Again, I know I said this already, but could be a good time to sell due to the low competition and reduced inventory for all the buyers out there. Again, you can click through your neighborhoods. Not going to do that now. I want to go out to our next town, Washington. Washington, where are you? 389 listings, 17 new, 31 reduced in price, 3 foreclosures, 4 short sales. We've got an average price of $395. Days on market, 95 days, your average days on market for your listings there. Again, common theme. I know I said this 3 times already. Here's 4. Dropped in inventory, could be a good time to sell. Limited options for our buyers out there. They need more inventory to look at. Again, you can break it down by your neighborhood. Go through that in a little bit, but first let's go out to Hurricane. Hurricane, where are you? Hurricane, we've got 376 listings, 10 recently added, 13 reduced in price, no foreclosures, 1 short sale. Average price $323. We've got an average days on market of 86. So the house is moving a little bit more out there than they are in Washington. Again, here's number 5. drop in inventory since January and February. Limited options for our buyers out there. Guys, if you're thinking about buying, get your house on the market. It's a great time. Okay, if you're thinking about selling your house, here's another nice little feature here on stghousesforsale.com. Click here on the sell. You're going to be able to put in your address here. Just put one in. Once you put in your address, you're going to come to this fancy screen here. Ignore the estimated value. Okay, that's not going to be accurate. Too many things to go into pricing a home to be able to really get into it without even seeing the house. Anyways, you'll want to click here, show comparables. This will show you some of the homes out there on the market that would be your competition, as well as you can get into some of the houses that have recently sold. Could be a good stepping stone for you to see if selling your house right now is a good decision for you. Go ahead and click on one of the listings as well. This will give you some other cool things to look at. You know, you can look through the pictures and see, is that house nicer than yours? Is it uglier than yours? Apart from the pictures, scroll down, you'll see a location, the nice little fancy Google view. Gotta love Google Street. What would we do without Google? Anyways, over here on the other side, you can do the comparison of the zip code there with price, square feet, taxes, days on market, and whatnot. Anyways, back to the St. George real estate market again. You know, things are going really well right now for sellers. Homes are moving pretty quickly. Inventory's down, and we've got a lot of folks out there looking to buy. So it could be a great time to sell your home. Again, this is just the greater outlook of St. George in total from, you know, when you include our little suburbs of Washington, Ivins, Santa Clara. 1,784 total listings, 106 reduced, 13 foreclosures, 7 short sales. Average price of $449. Days on market, you're right there again at that 3-month mark. This has been your St. George Real Estate Market Report, provided to you by Andrew Smart here at Red Rock Real Estate, stghousesforsale.com.